दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी हम नए वीडियोस डालें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss the need for code indentation and comments. Indentation and comments improve the readability and understandability of a program. First, let us discuss about the need for code indentation. So as we just learned, the purpose of code indentation is to make the program more readable and understandable. So see an example program. Here it is hard to understand which statements comes under which block, and it is not really readable also. So the solution to this problem is that we can give 4 spaces for the statements which are inside the main function. Now we can easily understand that the integer variable declaration for I and the for loop are inside the main function. But if we see, there is an ambiguity here. So the thing is the printf statement inside the main function or inside the for loop? Actually it comes under for loop, but it might create a confusion. So again we can give 4 spaces to the printf statement. Now it's all very structured and crystal clear that int I and for loop comes under main function and printf comes under the for loop. So this is how code indentation improves the program understandability. Now let us discuss about the need for comments. Assume that you're working in a company and you have developed some features. Now you have left the company for some reason and a new person had joined the company and he needs to develop the feature further. If the code is not documented properly, the newly joined person feels difficult to understand the code. And it is also impractical to call the old person and ask the information about the code. So what is the solution to this problem? So it's actually the programmer's responsibility to add the appropriate comments while developing the code, and it is also called as documentation. Using these comments, other people can easily understand your code. So in 2 ways we can add comments in a C program. First one is single line comment. It is used to describe a single line comment. It begins with a double slash, and you can see an example here. We have code if n is less than 0, n equal to minus n. So we can write a comment like this to understand it better. And these statements that are written after double slash will be ignored by the compiler. And the second method to add comments in C is using multi-line comments. Using this, we can add multi-line code explanation. It begins with a slash star and ends with a star slash. You can see an example here. We have a program here to find the absolute value. So we can write the details of the program written as multi-line comments like this. And this will help any programmer understand the program and not just the actual developer. And again, the statements inside this will be ignored by the compiler. And this is how comments help to understand the program.